afternoon, guys. I am here to teach you some more about money. I hope that you've had a good week so far, and I hope that your Friday is going to go awesome. Next week, we're going to switch things up a little bit, and I'm going to be doing some science experiments with you. I hope that you tune in. I'll try to let you know the day ahead what you'll need, but you can do it the day after you watch me do it if you want to. It's up to you. But today we're going to continue with money. And like I told you before, our standard wants you to know 2 ways to make the same amount of money when dealing with change and with dealing with dollars. So let's start off with change, okay? So if I want you to make 37 cents, okay? And I need you to show me 2 ways that you can make 37 cents, okay? So what if I used a quarter? What if I used a quarter? How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents, okay? I have 25 and I need to get to 37. What can I add to it? Can I add another quarter? No, that would give me 50 cents. That would be over. Got to get to 37. What if I add a dime? How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. I'm going to draw a dime. Remember, it needs to be smaller than a quarter. Okay, so I have 25, and then I go up 10. This is part of our skip counting that we did on Monday. 25 and go up 10, you have 35. Ooh, I'm so close. I need 37. What do I need to add to get to 37? I'll give you a hint. They're small, and they're not silver like the rest of the money. Pennies. So let's make sure we're right. 25, skip count by 10, 35, 36, 37. You see where that skip counting coming in now? Why we changed from count by 10s to count by 5s to count by 1s? This is why. Because we just skip counted by 10 and then we started counting by 1s again, okay? Okay, now let's think of another way. I want you to push pause, and I want you to come up with another way that you can make 37. Okay? Try very hard not to draw 37 pennies. Yes, that's another way, but who wants to carry 37 pennies in their pocket? Okay? Try to think of another way using a variety of coins. I think that I'm going to use dimes. I think I can do 3 dimes. What's 3 dimes? Well, they're each worth how much? 10. So 10, 20, 30. Okay, I need to get to 37. What if I add a nickel? How much is a nickel? That's one we haven't used yet. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. Okay, let's count. 10, 20, 30. Now change to 5. 35. Oh, I'm so close. I need those 2 pennies again. 36, 37. Okay? That is exactly what it wants you to do for the standard. So if this was easy to you, then you're doing awesome. If this was hard for you, then you need to spend a little more time on money, okay? I have another idea that you can do if this was hard. It just was Easter, and I'm sure that a lot of you have Easter eggs at home. Get your mom or dad to take a marker and write on the Easter egg an amount of money. And make sure that they do 2 of some of them. And put them back in your Easter basket. Then you take that bag of change that we've been using all week. Remember, I stole mine from my husband's truck. Take your bag of change and you try to put the correct amount inside the Easter eggs, okay? Another idea that I saw is that you can take a hula hoop or a bowl and place it kind of a few steps away from you and have someone shout out an amount. And they kind of sit on the other side. They shout out an amount like 52 cents, and you try to throw them into the bowl or into the hula hoop 52 cents. If you get it right, you get that money back. If you get it wrong, they keep it. And then at the end of the game, whenever you run out of money, you see who has the most money. Okay? All do another one. Let's do 52 cents. I think that's what I said. 52 cents. Okay? Alright, the easy way to do it with the fewest coins would be to use the most money coins, right? So which coin is worth the most money? A quarter, okay? So let's use a quarter. And a quarter's worth 25 cents. Okay? Can I use another quarter? What are 2 quarters worth? If I have 2 quarters, what is that worth? 50 cents. Well, I need to get to 52, so I can use another quarter. So I have 25 and 25, and we know that is 50 cents. How am I going to get 2? 2 pennies. Let's make sure we're right. 25, 50. Now go to ones. 51, 52. Good job. All right, let's try another way. Could I use a dime? How much is a dime worth? 10. Okay. That one. 20. One more. 30. One more. 40. 50. Now what? Can I do another dime? Nope, I can't do another dime. That would give me 60 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How do I make 2? Is there a coin that's worth 2 cents? No. I have to use those pennies again. Did you come up with another way? See if you can draw a line and come up with another way. Push pause and see if you can come up with another way. Maybe using some nickels this time. Alright, let's do another amount. Let's do 49 cents. Okay, 49 cents. Alright, we talked about the biggest coin that's worth the most is a quarter. So let's use a quarter. Can I use another quarter? What is 2 quarters worth? 50 cents. Oh, that's over my amount, so I can't use another quarter. What is the next highest coin? A dime. And how much is a dime worth? 10. All right, let's see what we got. 25, then skip count 10 more. 25, 35. What if I do another one? 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48. What do I need next? Another penny. 49. All right, let's double check because you know sometimes Miss Parker messes up. 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Good job. All right, you push pause and you see if you can come up with another way. Okay? I think I'm going to use dimes. I like dimes. 10, 20, 30. How many more dimes do I need? Just one. 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, I got to get 49. I know, I can use a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? No. I stopped, skip counting by tens, and now I go up 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Okay, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I need 4 more cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1. Pennies. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Good job. Remember, push pause and try to come up with another way. that you can make 49 cents. All right, we're going to kind of change gears. We're going to talk about dollar bills, okay? So, when it comes to dollar bills, we have a $1 bill. We have a $5 bill. We have a $10 bill. And we have a $20 bill, okay? There are more, but this is what we're going to work with for today, okay? 1, a 5, a 10, and a 20. And if you're in my class, you should know a lot about dollar bills because that is what we use as our behavior system. We use class cash. That was a tricky word. Okay, class cash. So, which of these dollar bills is worth the most money? The 20, right? It's just like numbers. This digit is higher than this digit, right? Okay, so I need to make $15. Okay? I need to come up with 2 ways to make $15 using these. And I'll make this a box so it's not so confusing to you. Okay, I need to use these, and there's a bunch of these. I can use a whole bunch of them, but these are my choices. I need to make $15. What's the first bill I want to use? Do I want to use a 20? Why not? It's too high, right? It's over 15. What about a 10? Yeah, okay. Let's use a $10 bill. Okay, don't want to use another 10? What's 10 and 10? 20, that's over, so I need to go up one. Do I want to use a $5 bill? Yeah. What do I got? 10 and 5. 10, 15. There's my $15. All right, what's my next way I'm going to make it? I'm not going to use a 20. I could use a 10, right? Okay, let's use a 10. Do I want to use a 5? No, because that's the same as this one. So I've got to use ones. If I'm at 10 and I want to get to 15, how many ones do I need? Let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? What's another way that I can make 15? Push pause and see if you can come up with another way. I think I know another way. I think I could have used 5s. I'm going to add a box down here. How many 5s does it take for me to get to 15? Let's see. 5. We can skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Look, there was 3 ways. This just shows you that there are so many ways that you can use a variety of money to make the same number, okay? I want you to keep practicing with money, whether it's real money or fake money if you have a fake cash register at home or fake money at home, or if you take paper and cut it up and make your own. I want you to practice using money, okay, and counting it, okay? I used to, whenever I was teaching Hunter about money, he had a hard time with it in 2nd grade. And so what I started doing with him was an allowance, and that way he would know. And also, when I was at the grocery store and they told me how much it cost, sometimes I would let him count out the change, or at the gas station, or wherever we were. I know that's kind of hard to do right now, so here's another idea for you. Go in the kitchen or around the house and get a variety of items. Maybe a pair of sunglasses, maybe a marker, maybe a phone or a notepad, and lay them out, and on top of them put a piece of paper that tells how much they are. If you have a sibling, you can get them to come shop at your store. And you practice adding up how much they owe you, okay? And then you swap roles, and you be the person who's buying, and you see how much money you owe, okay? And see if you can find the right amount. I hope that you guys have a great weekend. I miss you so much.